Hi guys, this is Glowworm Gang here. So I'm going to be filming the outdoor unit. Currently the Rheem air handler is running. I'm sorry that the Rheem air handler on heat mode for heating season is on delay. So yeah, I'm going to be filming the outdoor unit and it's going to be premiering for summer 2025 cooling season. So yeah. Even when I'm going to turn that on, the Rheem air handler will turn on too. That's obvious. Excuse me. Sorry. Rheem. There's the data sheet. Sorry you can't see very well. It's currently running. It's very quiet when the fan runs by itself. So I will set the thermostat for it to turn on, along with the outdoor unit as well. So yeah. So before we do that, let me show you the new thermostat. So this is the Ecobee thermostat. It's set to 74 right now, and the AC is currently off, but only the blower is quietly running. It's on cool mode right now, so I'm doing a heat mode for this week because the temperature is setting to 40 degrees currently. So let's head outside. Sorry about that. Sorry to cover the camera. Oh well. The backyard door isn't open. It's very messy over here, it's blocked. I can't get out through this area, so I have to go out through the backyard doors. Let's see if this thing works. I can't have some disturbances, but how am I supposed to open this back door?
You can try it together.
Okay.
I'm gonna edit this. Can I edit this part later so that way I'm not in it?
I had to cover the camera.
Did you also mute the audio in this part so they don't know that you have a sister? Maybe it's kind of awkward for that. Actually, I don't know.
How hard is it to open it?
It's so nice if you had an adult.
How is this door not even opening?
I know another way.
What is it?
I know another way to get outside. But listen,
But it's...
if you get in trouble, I don't want to be blamed.
What if I'm in trouble?
Relax, Sam, I was joking. And never mind, it's blocked up with boxes, so unless you want to go through boxes, I guess you won't be able to get your footage.
How am I supposed to move it?
You have to wait until Dad comes home, I guess.
No. I'm like I'm blocked away.
Look, see,
guys, this room is messy, so I'm gonna put the camera down and move the boxes. Unblock. Boxes, come on. Black. Sorry, it's cold out here. It's messy. Out there too. Sorry, I had to cover the camera because it's a little bit messy. Sorry about that. Anyways, this is the Rheem outdoor unit. It's off right now, or is it? Sorry about the ground vibrating. Yep, the spider web's in the way. Sorry, Mr. Spider. Sorry, Mr. Spider, got to move. This is the outdoor unit. It's currently off. Only the air handler is running. Even when I'm gonna turn that on, the air handler will turn on too. And that's obvious. Here's the logo. Oh, I'm scared. Sorry. Rheem. It's 5 ton. I don't have time to get to the data sheet. Sorry about the dog barking in the background. So, the other HVAC videos I've done is last year, so I don't have time to explain it right now. I can explain this video, what I've done with this one. I've already filmed the Rheem air conditioner startup and running. So this time I'm going to do it startup and shutdown. So I'm going to place the phone over here. So we're going to start it up and I'll do shutdown. So yeah, here we go. So anyways, this is how the Rheem outdoor unit just fired up. I like the sound of the fan and I like the sound of the compressor. So this is what it sounds like when it started up. Sorry it took so long. So this is what it looks like. It's sort of sounds like a Goodman package unit. Down there is the compressor. So let me explain this real quick so I can just turn it on. And it's vibrating a lot, by the way. So let me check how it feels before I explain. Nice. Logo is Rheem. So let me explain this real quick so I can give this more time to run. Anyways, I did the Payne air conditioner back in April of 2024, both the air handler and the outdoor unit. I did the air handler in May. I did the original air handler down at our house right before we got this outdoor unit along with the air handler. I also filmed the Payne air conditioner running on cool mode, and I did show you the ambient noise of it. And in August, I did the Carrier air handler start up and shut down at the hotel room that we're staying in at the same place. And I did the HVAC cabin of 19 Grimies running, with a few running along the way. I also did one last start up and shut down of the Payne air conditioner back in August as well, right before the house was sold. And I filmed the Rheem air handler start up and shut down on cool mode. I'm going to do it on heat mode for its healing season. Sorry about that. It was on delay. And back in October, I filmed the Whirlpool window / room air conditioner. And I also filmed this unit running, start up and running. And now I'm going to be, and back in November, I did start up and shut down of the 2 Carrier air handlers at the same hotel, but that we were staying in. And I did the HVAC cabin of 10 Carrier units / with our air conditioners and heat pumps. And also I did the Goodman package unit air conditioner. And now I'm doing this Rheem air conditioner running outside it. So I'm doing it on the heating season, which is a Rheem air handler in heat mode. So yeah. So it's time for me to turn it off. So I don't want to get busted from my mom. So it's time for me to quickly turn it off. So time to shut down. So sorry it took so long. So this is what the Rheem air conditioner turns off. It's shut down already. I've told Alexa to set the AC to 74 degrees so I can turn this off. Anyways, thanks for watching. Glow Arm Gang, out.